Spotted PMB files alongside your photo collection and wondering what they store. These metadata files organize photos in Sony's discontinued photo manager. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how Sony Picture Motion Browser files work. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical PMB data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. Stores metadata for photos and videos managed by Sony's Picture Motion Browser software, often bundled with Cyber-shot and Handycam cameras. Users encounter this file when organizing media from older Sony devices. It contains data like dates, ratings, and event groupings, but not the actual image or video itself. The PMB file is a proprietary binary database. Sony designed it this way for rapid indexing and retrieval of media attributes without parsing large media files. This structure allows the software to quickly display sorted and grouped collections, enhancing the user experience for managing large photo libraries from their cameras. Windows registers the PMB file as an opener for Sony Picture Motion Browser, developed by Sony Corporation. Windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows cannot interpret record mappings or links, so viewing relies on specialized metadata software. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the PMB file and choose Open With. Start with Sony Picture Motion Browser if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your PMB file is not opening yet, that is normal. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the PMB file is refusing to open. First, reading in Picture Motion Browser. If you still have Sony Picture Motion Browser installed, it automatically reads PMB files when launched, displaying organized media collections with associated metadata. The application is no longer distributed, but existing installations continue functioning with stored PMB databases for media organization and viewing. Next, migrating to modern tools. Sony recommends migrating to Play Memories Home or alternative photo organizers, like Adobe Lightroom or Google Photos. Most metadata stored in PMB files, including tags, is also written to image files as EXIF data, ensuring portability when transitioning to modern photo management applications. Finally, extracting metadata. Use EXIF tool to read metadata that Sony Picture Motion Browser wrote to image files alongside PMB updates. Many photo organizational details survive the transition since the application stored copies in standard EXIF and XMP fields readable by virtually any modern photo management application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.